For those of you that may not know, if the battery in your four-wheeler, your car, your RV, if you have fill caps on the top and your fluid's low in them, you can just use distilled water to top them up. Not if they're empty to fill them. You still need battery acid, but distilled water, and if you have a dehumidifier in your home, the water in your dehumidifier is distilled water. Just a little tip for you. So I need to top the fluid up in my four-wheeler battery, and these red plugs here at the top are what gets me into the cells. And I just use a pair of the cut-off needle nose pliers, and you just pinch it, and these ones just pull straight out. After you get the cap out, the hole in the top is really small. I just use it's the top off 80-90 rear end oil, rear end grease. Some of you might recognize it. Make sure it's all cleaned up. Get all the oil and gunk out of it. You just stick it in, and then you can just very carefully. It's okay to spill it because it's not acid, it's just water. Once it's full, you do have to give it some air so it will fill. Once it's full, just put your cap back in. Move on to the next one. You just do them all, top them all up. And then put a charge on your battery and see if it's gonna hold. That's how I keep the fluids up in my ATV battery, my car battery, my RV batteries. It works for a while. Eventually the batteries will die. There's nothing you can do about it, and you gotta replace them. So until next time, why not just try?